Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy, and in this video, we are going to be looking at the DJI Spark in the regular flight mode versus sport mode. So, the mode that we're in right now is the regular flight mode. It moves about maybe 10 miles per hour. You see, it's going very slowly right up the street. Um, Not really making a lot of adjustments for itself. It doesn't have a whole lot of jerkiness. Flies really smooth. This is an excellent mode to fly in. And now we're bringing it right back home. So the next thing we're going to do is put it in sport mode, and we're going to test that out in just a second. All right, so now we got it in sports mode. Let's fly it up the street and see how fast it goes. Notice we fly up the street at least double the speed, and we turn around way faster. And we're going to bring it right back down. And there we go. Notice how fast it comes right back down. So we're probably up to about 30 to 40 miles per hour in sports mode. Very fast. Okay, so now we're going to take it up a little higher and see how fast we can go. Notice it's moving really fast up the street. And it even turns around a whole lot faster in sports mode. There we go. Let's get it straight. Okay. Now we're going to bring it right back down the street. See, notice how fast it goes, comes back. 2 to 3 seconds, it is right back where it started from. And notice it even turns a whole lot faster when it's in sports mode. Now we're bringing it right on down, and we're going to try the next thing. This is some footage that was shot on an iPhone 10, and this is regular flight mode. Watch it as it goes away, very slowly. And then we're going to bring it right back, same way, regular flight mode. Notice the speed. Okay. Nice and easy. Now we're going to do that in sports mode. And notice the big difference. So this is more footage shot on the iPhone, and we are in sports mode now. Notice the speed. Big difference. And we're going to bring it right back at that same speed. You can see it coming back right there. Double to triple the speed. Looks a whole lot better on that angle. So the DJI Spark, what can I say? Excellent product. Sports mode versus regular mode. I love the sports mode. You get the faster flight, but you get less stability and control. Regular mode is the best mode to basically just do everyday flying in. Sports mode is just something you can play with every now and then. But excellent product. If you don't have one, try to go out and get yourself one, or if you know somebody that has one, use theirs and just kind of get the feel for it. But if you want a drone, if you're starting out, this is an excellent device to get. We give it 5 stars, 2 thumbs up. And until next time, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you leave me a like. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.